Greetings, fellow gadget lovers. Today, we're diving into the world and exploring the latest innovations. The BB Umwelttechnik Clementer Kampfschwader combination is a powerful and versatile machine designed for use in agricultural settings. This combination machine includes the Kampfschwader and a Clementer, two important pieces of equipment used in the haymaking process. The Kampfschwader is a machine used for tedding and raking hay. It consists of a series of rotating teeth that lift and separate the hay, helping it to dry more quickly and evenly. This is an unmanned tractor, Magnum ACV, from the American company Case IH. It's equipped with a 6-cylinder engine with a capacity of 370 horsepower. This tractor does not need a driver. In the not-so-distant future, people will no longer have anything to do on agricultural land. Only robots will plow, sow, and harvest crops in the fields. Canadian company Dot Technology has developed an autonomous agricultural platform that does not attach variable agricultural equipment to the rear or front, but integrates it into its body. This saves over 20% on fuel, labor, and equipment costs. Carbon dioxide emissions are also reduced by 20%. The Wirtgen W2000 is a powerful and versatile cold milling machine that is designed to make quick work of even the toughest asphalt and concrete surfaces. This machine is equipped with a range of advanced features and technologies, making it a top choice for professionals in the construction and road building industries. The drum is designed to be durable and long-lasting, ensuring that it can withstand even the toughest milling jobs. The Wirtgen SP25 paver is a compact and versatile paving machine that is designed to deliver high-quality results for a range of applications. It is ideally suited for urban areas where space is limited and maneuverability is key. With its small size and maneuverability, the SP25 can navigate through tight spaces and work in areas where larger machines cannot. The Vogel Super 1400 asphalt paver is a high-performance machine that is designed to deliver smooth and precise paving results. It's an ideal choice for contractors and municipalities looking for a reliable and efficient paving solution. The mix is distributed through a hydraulically powered conveyor system to the screed, where it is spread and leveled to the desired thickness. The screed is designed to deliver precise leveling and compaction, ensuring a smooth and uniform surface. The amphibious Menziemunk excavator is a unique construction machine designed to operate in a variety of challenging environments, including wetlands, swamps, and other aquatic ecosystems. The Menziemunk excavator is built on a versatile and highly mobile undercarriage that can traverse even the most difficult terrain. The new Kuhn SW bale wrapper is a state-of-the-art machine designed for wrapping round bales. It features an advanced control system and user-friendly interface that allows for easy operation and customization of wrapping parameters. The machine is equipped with a durable wrapping arm and stretch film dispenser, which work together to provide a tightly wrapped bale that's protected from external factors such as weather and moisture. Modern hedge trimming machines are highly efficient and reliable tools designed to trim hedges and shrubs quickly and easily. They're typically powered by electricity, gasoline, or batteries, and come in various sizes and shapes to suit different types of hedges and shrubs. The self-propelled Mulcher LV600 is a versatile machine designed for land clearing and vegetation management in a variety of environments. Equipped with a powerful engine and advanced hydraulic system, the LV600 is capable of mulching dense vegetation, trees, and stumps with ease. Digging the soil with a tracker is a common practice in agriculture for various purposes, such as planting, plowing, harvesting, and landscaping. The tractor is equipped with a suitable attachment, such as a plow, cultivator, or harrow, depending on the desired outcome. The attachment is connected to the tractor's hydraulic system, which powers the attachment and allows for adjustment of the depth and angle of the blade. The Sunfish Trencher is a highly efficient machine that can dig trenches in various widths and depths. It's designed with a powerful engine that provides ample torque and horsepower, ensuring that the machine can handle tough soil and terrain conditions. The trencher blade is adjustable, allowing operators to customize the depth and width of the trench according to their needs. This is a multi-head breaker. It's used for applying gravel. This is the most effective procedure for addressing reflective cracking in hot mix asphalt pavement. The Nexat is a tractor with interchangeable structures designed in Germany. This is a universal combine that replaces all agricultural machinery. He can plow, sow, fertilize, and harvest. The Nexat system tractor is designed as an autonomous machine and is equipped with an environmental monitoring system. Process control is carried out from a rotating cabin. This creates the basis for a fully automated operation of the machine and allows the vehicle to be operated manually only during transport. The Optimal Opitz 3000 is a powerful machine capable of excavating trees up to 90 centimeters in diameter with its 4 large spade blades. The Opitz 3000 is equipped with hydraulic controls that allow the operator to easily adjust the spade blades to fit the tree's root ball. This ensures that the tree is dug out of the ground with minimal damage to the roots, allowing for successful transplantation to a new location. The Berkey Waterway Cleaning Machine is a modern equipment designed for cleaning water bodies. It comes with specialized tools that can remove various types of pollutants, including debris, leaves, branches, and algae from the water surface and the bottom of the water body. Pollution of water bodies and plastic and other debris is a serious problem today. Such machines help to improve the situation. Stevia Mower Harvester with a bunker is a specialized piece of agricultural equipment used to harvest the stevia plant. Stevia is a natural sweetener that is derived from the leaves of the stevia plant, which is native to South America. The machine uses a series of sharp blades to cut the plant at the base and then transports the plant up a conveyor belt into a storage bunker. Claas Cougar 1400 is a powerful and efficient self-propelled mower that is designed to tackle large fields and rough terrain. It's equipped with a range of advanced features that make it a popular choice for farmers and contractors. The machine is designed with a low center of gravity, which helps to improve stability and maneuverability even on uneven ground. This trimming machine from an Italian company called Orlandi makes gardening look easy. The trimmers can cut hedges and plants into perfect spheres within seconds. They come with adjustable frames, allowing the gardener to set the cutting height to match their plants. Landpack created a tractor with a huge rotating shaft attached to the rear, weighing from 8 to 12 tons, used to compact the earth. The rotating shaft attached to the rear of the Landpack tractor is known as a sheep's foot roller or a padfoot roller. It's made up of a series of cylindrical or rectangular pads that create a kneading effect on the soil, helping to compact it evenly and efficiently.